If you want to know how to lower the volume on your TikTok videos, then this video is for you. Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and I give you the tools, the courses, and the mindset that you need to make a success online. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any videos that I upload. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you have to do to lower the volume on your TikTok videos, especially when you add music on your TikTok videos, right? Sometimes you record a video, you speak, and then you add music, a sound, and the volume of the music is way too loud. So I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to adjust the volume. Now, I will just say before I show you how it's done that I made another video. There are two ways, as far as I know, to do this. I made another video with one way of doing it, and since then my version of TikTok updated, and I suddenly thought, hold on, this has changed. This is not the way it used to be. So I'm going to show you how it works on my current version of TikTok. I hope it helps you. Let's go. Here's what you need to do. When you are on the video that you have shot, you tap here, obviously, to add a sound. I have already added a sound. Oh, sorry. Okay. Then what you need to do is tap this for volume. And here you have two settings. This one up here allows you to adjust the volume of your own voice. This one allows you to adjust the volume of the added sound. So I usually put it right down because it's usually way too loud. Okay. So this is what you have to do. So that was easy, wasn't it? I hope it helps you. If you have any other question about TikTok, something you want to find out how to do and you don't know how to, first, check my tutorials playlist. The answer might be there. Second, if you don't find a video that helps you, drop me a comment below, and with your question, I will research it and I will make a video for you. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in another video. Bye for now.